Learn Japanese for the train station in Japan.
駅構内は終日禁煙です。ご協力をお願いいたします。
Eki kounai means station premises. Eki is train station and kounai premises or grounds. Shujitsu kinen is an expression found on signs that means no smoking at any time. Shujitsu means all day and kinen means smoking prohibited. Eki kounai wa shujitsu kinen desu. No smoking at any time on the station premises. Gokyōryoku is a polite way to say cooperation. Onegai taishimasu is a humble expression similar to saying please or thank you in English. Gokyōryoku wo onegai taishimasu. Thank you for your cooperation. No smoking at any time on the station premises. Thank you for your cooperation.